guys, welcome back to Teardown. I know it's been a long time. And we got interesting things here. More mods. No, I'm good with the all this. Look at all that. That's really weird. Alright. Well, we're gonna go into campaign mode because, you know, I didn't finish. So now we're gonna try to finish this, I guess. What's this one? So, tools up. This one. Oh my. Need to do 4. Eventually we're gonna do these missing places. Try to anyway, I mean. I don't actually. Okay, this is the boat to escape. Where is my launcher? There it is. Oops. Okay. Oh. I didn't realize how weak that wall was. That's pretty cool. Well, that's fine. Okay. Okay. I got a tool here, which of course it's that. These fire and weird. Okay. These are the primary goals. These are the secondary goals. Okay. Well, I'm actually right here at one of the primary goals. That one's over there. Thank goodness it didn't stick. Okay. I just wanted the big explosion. I love explosions. Okay. Another one is here. So okay. And the other one is right here. So I gotta play this smart. Okay. This is out in the open, so and the other one is right here. Okay. Gotta run. Ooh. No, no, no. Oh, oh, oh. Got it. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Yes! I got away. Haha! That was close. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my gosh, guys. I was panicking. Does no good to panic, guys. See that right there? That way right there lost me some time. This lost me a lot of time because I went all the way up in the air. Came back down. Didn't mean to. Grabbed that, so I was happy. And I just darted out. And I thought the boat was over here. I forgot that it was over here. But yeah. That was just really cool. Oh, shoot. That's gonna... Forgot what the meteor strike did. Alright. I decided I didn't open the front door anymore, guys. Yeah, just... Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I love playing with this. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for right now, guys. As we watch the car get obliterated. You know what? We're gonna get this car too. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for right now. As I spawn a couple of meteors on me, be sure to click the like button, stab the subscribe button, and please share this because somebody actually may get a kick out of it. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Wait. Where's he coming from? Oh, there he goes.